Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to Netherlands for free. Yes, you heard me right. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way to the end. You know, I'm your bestie. I'm your girl when it comes to travel abroad for free, fully funded conferences. And if you missed my other videos, my previous videos, I shared a lot of fully funded conferences. They'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of the conference. And I shared for different countries. So if you want to go to Germany for free, go and check out my previous videos. Or if you want me to share the link with you, just put it in the comments. I will send the link to you. So if you want the Canada, fully funded conference, let me know. If you want the South Africa fully funded conference, let me know. If you want the Australia fully funded conference, let me know. If you want the Romania fully funded conference, let me know. If you want the Brazil fully funded conference, let me know. Or the Germany fully funded conference, I got you. Or you can check my other videos and apply. Without further ado, if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you real good. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. I don't need to be told. Let me just go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube you cannot catch me live on YouTube on this channel. It's a different channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. You're going to love it. Let's get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. Guys, did you know that the cost of studying in Netherlands can be reduced drastically with the right scholarship, whether funded by the government, funded by the universities in Netherlands, or private organizations? There are opportunities. Yes, these opportunities are designed to help students to thrive. Have you heard of University of Twente scholarship? Yes, it is fully funded. The amount covered is from 3,000 euros to 22,000 euros for one academic year. It is renewable for a second year in qualifying 2-year master's program. So you can get your master's degree for free. Applicants must hold nationality from outside EU EEA, and you must have a provisional admission letter to a qualifying full-time master's program at the University of Twente. You must not hold a prior degree from the University of Twente. You must comply with Netherlands student visa and English language requirements. And then quick one, you have to also rank in the top 5 to 10% of your graduating class. I have highlighted some of the most well-known scholarships offered by the Dutch government and top universities, yes, in Netherlands, particularly those KC Overseas Education actively represents. However, this is not an exhaustive list. There are still many more. Now, there are many more scholarship opportunities that are available, and you are encouraged to carry out thorough research and explore additional options that align with your own academic goals before moving forward with the application process. So for all of the ones I'm going to be sharing with you, I also implore that you also do your due diligence, also do your own research as well. Application process for scholarship in Netherlands is now open. You can secure a scholarship in Netherlands, and it requires a well-structured approach. And here is a step-by-step guide grounded in information. Here is a step-by-step guide. Number 1, identify your study program. So begin by selecting an English taught master's or bachelor's program. Each program lists whether scholarships are available. So this ensures that you apply for opportunities that are relevant to your chosen course of study. Number 2, check scholarship eligibility. Review the eligibility requirements or the criteria for the scholarships that are linked to your own program. While basic requirements include non-EEA nationality and enrollment in a full-time program at a participating institution, specific awards may require additional qualification like academic performance, final transcripts, or professional experience. Apply for admission first, my people. You must have at least provisional acceptance or be in the final stages of the admission to the university program before you apply for most scholarships. The Study in NL portal advises completing your admission first to unlock access to scholarship applications. Number 4, prepare supporting documents. Yes, typical scholarship applications require academic transcripts and diploma transcripts, English proficiency test, maybe IELTS or TOEFL, motivation letter explaining your goals and your fit, your CV or your resume, letters of recommendation. Please ensure that you gather all required documentation because incomplete applications are often rejected. Then follow deadlines closely because the deadlines vary by institution and scholarship, while many actually follow standard admission timelines. Scholarships like the NL scholarship have their own schedule. So check both the scholarship program deadlines and the prospective university portal. The next thing you need to do is to submit your scholarship application. If you don't submit, there's no way in the world they will know. So once you have admission or conditional offer, apply through the university's scholarship portal or through Study in NL where applicable. Now, some universities use OSIRIS or U20. Upload your motivational letters and other documentation as requested. So the next thing you need to do is to wait for selection results. Decision timelines vary between scholarships and universities. Universities generally aim to announce awards before tuition deadlines. So if you're shortlisted, you're going to be contacted directly via email. So please check your emails all the time, then accept your award and then meet conditions. If you are granted a scholarship, please review carefully, review acceptance terms, and that may include maintaining academic standards, visa requirements, or full-time enrollment. If you fail to meet these conditions, they may withdraw the scholarship from you. So if you're applying for Netherlands scholarship for the first time, it is completely normal to feel overwhelmed by the number of the steps and the details that are involved. But what's the easiest way to get started? It is super easy. Just follow all of these steps that I've given to you guys in this video. So guys, I'm going to be sharing a lot of leading Dutch universities, including University of Twente. Check out University of Twente and apply for their scholarships right now. And if you need help with your application process, I'll be more than happy to assist you, from shortlisting eligible scholarships to writing compelling scholarship essays and also submitting complete applications. I have got you guys covered. You can actually book a one-on-one consultation with me. You can join my Patreon community before you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, and you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments, or you can use the join button right next to the subscribe button to be part of the inner caucus. So by the way guys, I am looking for a suitable name to give to our community members. So if you have any good suggestion, let me know. I'll be more than happy to hear from you guys. So thank you all so much once again. Do not forget to introduce yourselves if you have not. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, these scholarships don't just lower the cost of studying, they open door to a globally recognized education system. So, and I have a lot of Dutch universities I'll be sharing with you guys in my subsequent videos. So make sure that you stay tuned and like this video, share this video, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and your enemies. All right, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Check out this video right here.